Hey everybody, welcome back. Hi. Hey, so we promised you an update on the Jeep. Well, it's running fine and we didn't do anything. So they told me they won't be able to do anything unless it does it again. So I guess we'll just wait and see. Yeah, we'll just wait and see because I don't know what else to do. Yeah, great. We'll wait and see until we're stuck on the side of the highway in the middle of nowhere again. That'll be great. Anyway, we also told you we would talk about Niagara Falls and how that was. Well, first of all, it was pretty spectacular. I was there when I was a kid, but I don't really remember a lot. And as an adult, like, wow, just blew me away. It's crazy there. It's super cool. Fucking water. I don't get it. And I don't understand why we had to go up in a Ferris wheel to get a better view of it. You know what? I enjoyed the Ferris wheel. I mean, usually we're not a huge fan of heights, but it was a great, spectacular view. You could see everything in Niagara Falls. You could see all of Clifton Hills, which is crazy, by the way. They just have a street that's like a fairground all the time. You dirty liar. Watch this.
Oh, you're rocking it.
It's okay. Everything's fine. Everything's fine. You can tell them that it was a beautiful view all you want. We're not doing that again. Ever. I did my best to have a good time. I tried. It was just difficult when you don't like heights to stay completely calm. Also, I didn't know that someone was recording. Well, I think that's where we'll leave you today. Next week, I will show you what I'm wearing to the wedding. And I'll show you what I want to wear to the wedding. See you next week.